You are now watching Doorbell News.
Houston, Texas. A female porch pirate walks up to someone's house. All she had to do was steal what she wanted to steal, but she decided to ring the doorbell and stand around for a few seconds. As she gathers the courage to do her crime, the homeowner notices her on her Ring camera.
Hello? Guys, I just my phone.
She comes outside to confront the thief, but she pulls off.
Hey!
Houston, Texas. A man who appears to be wearing a robe breaks someone's window and enters their home. This guy's nuts. Looks like he's trying to break a glass window with his bare hand. This guy's really crazy. The homeowner said he stole his shotgun and he stole some other items, so be on the lookout for this guy. This literally happened the other day. Be on the lookout for this guy. This guy's jumping in the window. Big shards of glass probably got cut up. This dude is insane. Imagine waking up seeing this guy in your house.
Knock it off, Ray.
Oakland, California. This female tweaker says she needs the homeowner to open the door.
Knock it off. What's wrong? Lena? I need your door opened.
Huh?
I need your door opened.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna open.
Well, I need to go get my Glock. You gotta learn how to differentiate between wants and needs. Everyone has wants and needs, but reality and wants and needs are two different things. What I need is for you to get lost. Pasadena, Texas. 4 hooded teens are seen walking up to an apartment door. They gain entry into the apartment, and a couple other teens are seen entering. This guy's face is clearly seen. Hopefully your mom sees you breaking into houses. New Orleans, Louisiana. A porch pirate is seen stealing something from someone's porch. He has some sort of cane in his hand. The homeowner says something to the thief on the Ring doorbell.
Who are you? Hello?
He obviously realized he was already caught on tape, so he had a change of heart.
Wrong address.
Yeah, wrong house, alright. Get lost. Sacramento, California. This female tweaker seems to be out of it. She's looking through the cooler. She's just looking around trying to find something. She just looks out of it. I don't know what she wants. She keeps ringing doorbells, wiggling knobs. I don't know what this lady wants. But she needs to get lost. She needs to do something with that crazy hair. Chicago, Illinois. Can't even leave chairs outside anymore. This guy takes the chair, the cushion, and everything. Gotta put that nice stuff in the backyard nowadays. Miramar, Florida. A woman attempts to sell her iPhone through a classified listing, but the guy who's supposed to be buying it snatches the phone, hops in the car, and rides off. It's 2022, And never trust a guy who still wears a blowout afro. Police recommend that when making these sorts of transactions, you meet in a well-lit area, preferably a police station or a gas station or somewhere that will be more intimidating to a thief. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This Felicia seems to be opening up packages that aren't hers. She opens up the package, and she says she likes it.
Wow, this is nice.
She walks off as if she's too good for whatever's in the box. She's a real picky thief. Sacramento, California. Late night, and the tweakers come out. The homeowner flashes her car alarm to try to scare him off. This dude either has some type of mental disorder or he's on some hard stuff. Either way, he needs to get lost.
Get out of here.
West Park, Florida. Some dusty female porch pirate comes on somebody's front porch and steals their decoration. Can't have nothing outside anymore. Tampa, Florida. How many times do I have to tell you? You gotta put those nice chairs in the backyard. Can't leave nothing on your porch anymore, including chairs, plants, decorations, anything. They're taking everything. They're stealing everything. Tampa, Florida. Another female porch pirate is seen walking up in neon pink shorts. She grabs one package, then she grabs another, and then she takes off. Get lost with your neon pink shorts. Loser. Brooklyn, New York. This mail thief has some type of machete in his hand trying to open the mailbox. He must be an identity thief. He gotta be Jamaican with that machete in his hand. Yeah, the Jamaicans have this machete culture. They don't carry guns, they like to carry machetes and just chop you up. Well, oh, wait a minute, it looks like a butcher knife. Either way, it's scary stuff. It's pretty intimidating. Imagine if you came outside and tried to confront him, and then you see him with this big butcher knife in his hand. Yeah, he knows what he's doing. This dude needs to get lost. Miramar, Florida. This Hispanic lady was caught stealing avocados. Why don't you go to the store and buy your own avocados? They're only like $1 or $2. Why you gotta come over and steal my avocados? Get lost and go get your own avocados, jackass. Sacramento, California. Another dusty, late night porch pirate tweaker woman with a cigarette in her mouth comes to someone's gate trying to get inside, but she needs to get lost, and I'm tired of these goddamn creeps creeping around the goddamn place all night. Get lost. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Another porch pirate is seen trying to steal someone's bike, but when the homeowner confronts him on the Ring doorbell, he says, "Oh, I was just taking a piss." "Yeah, right. Oh, you were taking a piss on my bike? Or I'm gonna come outside and get a piece of you. You better get lost." Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Another dusty is stealing chairs. That's why I told you, you can't leave anything on your porch. You gotta put everything nice in your backyard. When are you gonna learn? Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.